Can you allow the officials to?
That's it.
We just concluded the meeting, leaders of the Khasi Students Union. In the meeting, to discuss on the 5 agendas that were given to the government, and point by point we discussed on all the issues that were mentioned. The first agenda was regarding the public hearing of Shree Cement and their demand that it should be cancelled or scrapped. But the members of the KSU had mentioned that they had concerns about the process in which it was conducted.
We have put up 5 demands to the government. There are actually 20 of them. Number 1 is the establishment of the cement plant by the name of Shree Cement in Jingdawa in East Pynsangeh Hills, and which would also assure transparency and accountability during recruitment to avoid nepotism and favoritism. So we have some of the key points with regards to MPSC is the scrapping of personnel interview in grade B, non-gazetted posts, grade C and grade D. So that is one of the points. And another one is that we have seen that in the PSCs of different states, other states in the country, during advertisement of a particular post, they will mention that this post is applicable for genuine citizens of that particular state. However, MPSC states that it is for genuine citizens of India. We feel that the word India should be replaced by Meghalaya. The Chief Minister told us that he will look at the legal aspect of our demand and then he will inform us on what they can do. Those are a few points. Actually, we have submitted those points, and a committee has been formed under Frederick Harmoklang IAS, and they had also agreed to many points. We have to wait and watch. We are not fully satisfied because they are not yet being implemented. Once they are implemented, then we can see we are satisfied. But for the moment, we are going to temporarily suspend our agitations, temporarily, not fully.